Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to remove your save login details on Instagram so you can keep your account more secure and private. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To remove your save login details on Instagram, first you must open your Instagram. After opening Instagram, click on your profile, and in the top right corner of your screen, find the three lines or the menu icon. After tapping on the menu icon, click Account Center. In the Account Center, go to Password and Security. In the Password and Security, go to Save Logged In. In here, choose your account you want to log out, in which case I'm going to log out on my main, and I'm going to tap on the Save Login Info. After removing my Save Login Info, I have to remove my account on my Instagram now. In order to do that, I just have to log out. I could just tap Not Now and it would not be safe on this device. Log out. There we go. If you have multiple accounts on any of the devices that you don't use, you can simply just do all of the process all over again. And that's it. That is how you remove your saved login info on Instagram. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.